What famous disputes were settled using arbitration? Imagine a conflict so big that it could change the course of international relations or shake up major industries. Instead of going through long court battles, many of these disputes found resolution through arbitration. Arbitration is a private process where both sides agree to let a neutral third party decide the outcome. It's often faster, more confidential, and can be more flexible than traditional court cases. One famous example involves a European airline and a U.S. software company. They had a dispute over licensing a ticket sales system. When the airline ended their agreement, they turned to arbitration to settle the rights and obligations. The process was quick, and they reached a new licensing deal without going to court. This shows how arbitration clauses in contracts can help resolve disagreements smoothly. International disputes are also common in arbitration. For example, the case between Argentina and Ghana over the ship called the Era Libertad was settled through arbitration at the Permanent Court of Arbitration. The ship was detained in Ghana, and both sides used arbitration to resolve the issue. This avoided a lengthy diplomatic fight and led to a fair resolution. Similarly, disputes over maritime boundaries, like the case between Bangladesh and India in the Bay of Bengal, were settled through arbitration. These cases highlight how arbitration helps countries and companies resolve complex cross-border issues without the need for courts. In the financial world, arbitration has been used to settle disagreements over contracts. For instance, a U.S. company filed an arbitration claim against a bank for violating a service agreement. The arbitrator found some violations and awarded damages. This process is often chosen because it is faster and more specialized than court litigation. In the legal systems of England and Canada, arbitration cases have also made headlines. Courts support arbitration agreements and sometimes step in to enforce or support arbitration decisions. For example, in a case involving Airbus and a Russian company, the courts upheld the arbitration process and ensured the dispute was resolved fairly. Canadian courts have clarified that arbitrators must consider all evidence and give clear reasons for their decisions, which helps keep arbitration fair and trustworthy. Overall, these famous disputes show that arbitration is a powerful tool in business law. It helps resolve international conflicts, commercial disagreements, and complex legal issues efficiently. Parties often include arbitration clauses in their contracts to make sure they can settle disputes quickly and privately, avoiding the costs and publicity of court battles. Whether it is between countries or private companies, arbitration continues to be a trusted way to settle big disputes.